Welcome to Learn with Lili. Today we are starting with your Universal Science for Class 4, Chapter 10, and the name of the chapter is Our Environment and Pollution. Stepping stones. Plastics are used to make things such as bottles, bags, and toothbrushes. However, it is extremely dangerous for our environment. Can we stop the usage of plastic items completely? No. Rather than throwing out plastic items, can we reuse them? Yes. Will the reuse of plastic items help us to reuse the usage of plastics? Yes. Environment. Environment is comprised of all living and non-living things that occur naturally on the earth. It includes human beings, animals, plants, mountains, rivers, and soil. Our surroundings are part of the environment. Schools, houses, parks, markets, our neighbors, our family members, and others make up our immediate physical environment. Understanding the environment. Animals and plants also have their environment. The environment of a squirrel includes the sun, the air it breathes, the food it eats, the water it drinks, the tree it lives, and the other plants and animals around it. The environment of a fish consists of the river or lake it lives in, the food it finds there, and the plants and animals found in water. As you can see, this is the picture of our environment. What does environment give us? We are dependent on the environment for our basic needs such as shelter, clothes, food, and water. The food we eat comes from plants and animals. Milk, eggs, and meat are obtained from animals. We get fruits, vegetables, pulses, and cereals from plants. Medicines are produced from seeds, leaves, and barks of some plants that have medicinal values. Some plants and animals give us fibers, which are used to make clothes that we wear. Paper, obtained from trees, is used for making books, newspapers, and magazines. Animals also depend on their environment for their basic needs. Monkeys live on trees. Birds make nests on trees with leaves, twigs, and sticks, which they find in their environment. Should we care for our environment? The environment provides us everything that supports our survival. Therefore, keeping and maintaining environment clean and neat is our responsibility. Unfortunately, many of our activities are adversely affecting the environment. Some of these activities involve, as you can see in this picture, human activities polluting the environment. Carelessly throwing away empty packets, cans, bottles, polythene bags, and leftover food. Contaminating the area by smoke and harmful gases emitted by vehicles, factories, and burning garbage. Wasting resources such as water, electricity, and petrol. A clean environment is essential for a healthy living. Any damage to the environment will directly or indirectly affect us and others living beings such as plants and animals. Run through. Environment is comprised of all living beings and non-living things that occur naturally on the earth. The environment fulfills our basic needs of food, water, shelter, and clothes. We should not damage the environment, and it is essential for a healthy living. Now track your progress. 1. Fill in the blanks. Plants and animals are used to make clothes that we wear. Birds make their nests on the trees with leaves, twigs, and sticks. C. A clean environment is essential for a healthy living. And 4. Milk, eggs, and meats are obtained from animals. Now, know your scientists. Dr. Vandana Shiva. She is an Indian scientist and environmental activist. She is well known for her contribution towards the preservation of plants biodiversity. In 1982, she founded an institute, the Research Foundation of Science for Science, Technology and Ecology in Dehradun. This institute is dedicated to high quality research to address the ecological issues. Now, pollution. Various human activities are adding harmful substances to the environment. The harmful substances that pollute air, water, and land are called pollutants. The addition of pollutants to the environment is called pollution. It causes undesirable changes in the air, water, and soil. It damages the natural quality of environment. It adversely affects the health of all living organisms. Pollution can be of three types: air pollution, land pollution, and water pollution. Now, wonder box. Children are affected by air pollution more severely than adults. This is because they are very active, play outdoors much more, and therefore breathe in more air. Air pollution. The addition of pollutants such as harmful gases, dust, fumes, and smokes in the air is called air pollution. It can occur due to human activities or natural phenomena such as volcanic eruptions, pollen dispersal, and forest fires. It contaminates the air present in the environment. The pollutant in the air spread very fast and cause harm to all living organisms. Now, causes of air pollution. There are a lot of factors causing air pollution. Let us discuss few of them. We cut down trees for obtaining wood. Wood is used for constructing houses, for making paper, and also as a fuel. The cutting down of trees on a large scale is called deforestation. This leads to lesser number of trees in the environment. Thus, lesser amount of oxygen is available for living beings. This also results in an increase in carbon dioxide in air, which leads to air pollution. As you can see, the factories are making air pollution in this picture. Burning of fuels such as coal, petrol, and diesel in vehicles and factories adds poisonous gases into the air. Smoke coming out from factories also adds harmful gases such as carbon dioxide in the air. Burning of firecrackers, garbages, and stubble is another cause of air pollution. Volcanic eruptions and forest fires release a large number of smoke in the air. It also causes air pollution. Remember, spraying mosquito repellent at home, fumigation, and even lighting incense stick adds harmful particles in the air. Effects of air pollution. Air pollution affects our respiratory system. It can cause asthma and other breathing problems. It can also cause irritation in the eyes. Sometimes the harmful gases present in the air can mix with the rain and form acid rain. This rain harms plants and even buildings that it falls on. Some of pollution are very dangerous for health. They can cause heart disease and can affect the brain, liver, and kidneys. Now, prevention of air pollution. Pollution checks of vehicles must be regularly carried out. Factories must be fitted with tall chimneys so that harmful gases are released far away from the air that we breathe. Burning of any kind of waste must be banned. Trees give out oxygen and help to purify the air. Plant more trees in the neighborhood so that they give out oxygen and help in purification of air. Land pollution. The addition of pollutant in the soil is called land pollution. Causes of land pollution. Improper disposal of household garbage is the major cause of land pollution. Spraying of fertilizers spraying of fertilizers, pesticides, and insecticides pollutes the soil with harmful chemicals. This gives rise in land pollution. Addition of solid waste such as cans and plastic bottles also cause land pollution. Dumping wastes from industries also cause land pollution. Improperly maintained landfills also cause land pollution. Effects of land pollution. Deforestation damages the soil. Actually, the roots of trees bind the soil in a place. When trees are cut down, root of the trees also damages and so the soil becomes loose. Thus, the top layer of soil can be easily washed away by rain or blown away by the wind. This loss of fertile topsoil is called soil erosion. Due to soil erosion, the land becomes less fertile. Plants do not grow well in polluted soil. Animals that feed on plants growing in polluted soil often fall ill. And eating fruits and vegetables growing in polluted soil can cause diseases as they may contain toxic chemicals. Now, prevention of land pollution. All wastes must be properly disposed at the proper place as suggested by the local authorities. We must reduce the use of plastic bags by using paper or cloth bags. Natural fertilizers such as manure and compost must be used in agriculture instead of chemicals. We must reuse the bottles, plastics, containers, cloth bags for all purposes. This will reduce the garbage generated by us. Water pollution. The addition of pollutants in water is called water pollution. Causes of water pollution: mixing of the industrial waste containing toxic chemicals with water bodies such as rivers and lakes severely pollutes the water. It is the major cause of water pollution. Throwing of waste such as plastic bags and cartons into rivers cause water pollution. Washing clothes and bathing in rivers and ponds also lead to water pollution, as it adds soap and detergent in water bodies. The water runoff from agricultural fields adds pesticides and fertilizers into rivers and pollutes them. Dumping waste in ocean pollutes water. This ultimately causes the death of large number of aquatic animals living inside it. Now, effects of water pollution. Polluted water is harmful for both plants and animals. Plants die if polluted water reaches their roots. Animals will also die if they drink polluted water. Harmful substances present in polluted water decreases the amount of oxygen present in the water. So, aquatic animals and plants die because they do not get sufficient oxygen to survive. Sometimes animals living inside the water swallow the garbage thrown in it and die due to choking on garbage. Polluted water leads to diseases such as diarrhea and typhoid. Now, prevention of water pollution. Industries should treat water waste and then release it into water bodies. We should avoid washing clothes and bathing in rivers and ponds. We must not throw garbage wastes near water bodies such as beaches and riverbanks. They get washed away into the water. Get it right. We believe that outdoor air is polluted and the air inside our home is absolutely clean. This is not always true. Indoor air can be polluted by vapors coming from the kitchen, minute particles of paper or plastics from household products, mosquito repellents, dry skin flakes, and various other things. Protecting the environment. We can protect our environment by planting more trees. The process of planting trees in areas that have been deforested or have fewer trees is known as afforestation. It helps in preserving the habitat of animals. It also prevents soil erosion. Preserving our existing forests and preventing them from being cut down will also help us protect our environment. We must not throw the plastic bags in drains because they block the drains and stop the passage of dirty water. We must not dump the electronic waste such as TVs, batteries, cell phones, and computers. The materials of electronic waste are extremely hazardous to the environment. Dry waste such as papers, plastics, and bottles, and wet waste such as fruits and vegetable peels, residual food items should be disposed of separately. World Environment Day. People all over the world are gradually becoming aware of their duty to preserve the environment. In 1972, the United Nations General Assembly decided to dedicate a day to raise environmental awareness and to encourage actions to protect the environment. The United Nations has declared 5th June as World Environment Day, WED. Find out the slogan for World Environment Day of this year. Reduce, reuse, and recycle are the most effective ways through which we can save natural resources and protect our environment. We should reduce waste generation as much as possible. We should reuse the things in different ways rather than throwing them. And we should recycle the used things or use recyclable things. Run through. Pollution is the addition of unwanted harmful substances called pollutant in air, water, and soil. Air, water, and land pollution are the three main types of pollution. Pollution is caused by various human activities and some natural phenomena. Pollution has harmful effects on plants, animals, and human beings. Afforestation is the process of planting trees in areas that have been deforested or have few trees. We should reduce, reuse, and recycle the things to protect our environment. Track your progress. Write the name of any 5 sources of air, land, and water pollution in the table given below. For air pollution, we can write tobacco smoke, agriculture, particulates, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide. For land, mining, transportation, construction, manufacture, and energy production. For water, we have agriculture, industrial waste, oil spill, sewage, and detergents. Glossary. Afforestation. The process of planting trees in areas that have been deforested or have fewer trees. Air pollution. The addition of pollutants such as harmful gases in the air. Deforestation. Cutting down of trees on a large scale. Environment. All living beings and non-living things that occur naturally on the earth. Land pollution. Mixing of harmful substances in the soil. Pollution. An undesirable change in water, soil, and air that brings down the quality of the environment. Soil erosion. The loss of fertile topsoil due to rain or wind. Water pollution, the addition of household, agriculture, and industrial waste in the water. Now, assessment zone. Tick the correct answer. 1. Which of the following day is celebrated as World Environment Day? 5th June. Which of the following ways can prevent the soil erosion? Planting more trees. Which of the following ways can cause air pollution? Both B and C. 4. Which of the following ways can cause land pollution? Spraying of fertilizers. 5. Which of the following ways can cause water pollution? Both A and B. Fill in the blanks. 1. Burning of fuel causes air pollution. 2. Soil erosion is the loss of the fertile topsoil due to rain or wind. 3. Cutting down of trees on a large scale is called deforestation. 4. Harmful substances that give rise to pollution are called pollutant. 5. Forest fires also cause air pollution. True or false? 1. The use of natural fertilizers can cause land pollution. False. Plants grow well in polluted soil. False. A clean environment is essential for healthy living. True. Pollution increases the amount of oxygen present in the water. False. Deforestation helps in preventing soil erosion through. Look at the given picture and answer the following question. 1. What is causing the pollution? Burning of fuel. 2. What kind of pollution is happening? Air pollution. And 3. Who is being affected by the pollution? Trees or the environment. Answer the questions. We will refer to the notebook. Question number 1. Define the following. Pollution. An addition of unwanted harmful substances called pollutant in air, water, and soil. Deforestation. The cutting of trees on a large scale is called deforestation. Soil erosion. Loss of fertile topsoil is called soil erosion. Difference between deforesting and afforestation. Deforestation. Cutting down the trees on a large scale. It causes soil erosion and it increases carbon dioxide in the air, which leads to air pollution. Afforestation. The process of planting trees in an area that has been deforested or have fewer trees. It prevents soil erosion and it purifies the air by adding more oxygen to it. Number 3. Suggest one method to prevent land pollution. We can prevent land pollution by reducing the garbage generated by us. Number 4. Name the 4 pollutants that cause air pollution. The 4 pollutants that cause air pollution are harmful gases, dust, smoke, and fumes. Number 5. Name 2 natural phenomena that lead to air pollution. The 2 natural phenomena that lead to air pollution are volcanic eruptions and forest fires. Number 4 means section 5. F. Question number 4. Justify the statement, human beings are responsible for destroying the environment. Answer. Human beings are responsible for destroying the environment because many of our activities are affecting the environment. Some of them are air pollution by burning garbage, harmful gases emitted by vehicles and factories, wasting resources such as water, electricity, and petrol, mixing industrial waste with water bodies, and deforestations, and also throwing away empty packets, cans, bottles, polythene bags, and etc. Question number 7. Various countries have banned the use of plastic bags. Why? Various countries have banned the use of plastic bags because plastic bags pollute land and water, they are harmful to human health, they are not easy to recycle, and they cannot be broken down or decomposed. And question number 10. Rahul is bursting crackers in his balcony. His grandmother is unable to breathe properly. What do you think has happened to his grandmother? Answer. Rahul's grandmother is unable to breathe properly because inhaling the gaseous air pollutant along with toxic gases emitted by burning of crackers might make her go breathless, and other irritation in throat gases inhaled may cause other respiratory disorders like asthma. Now, question number 1 of F. What is land pollution? State any 4 causes of land pollution. The addition of pollutant in the soil is called land pollution. Causes are dumping waste from industries, improperly maintained landfills, spraying of fertilizers, pesticides and insecticides, improper disposal of household garbage. What is air pollution? State 4 ways to prevent it. The addition of pollutant such as harmful gases, dust, fumes, or smoke in the air is called air pollution. Prevention of air pollution. 1. Pollution checks of vehicles must be regularly carried out. 2. Factories must be fitted with tall chimneys so that harmful gases are released far away from the air that we breathe. 3. Burning of any kind of waste must be banned. 4. Plant more trees in neighborhood so that they give out oxygen and help in purification of air. Question number 3. Describe the ill effects of air pollution. Air pollution affects our respiratory system. It can cause asthma and other breathing problems. It can also cause irritation in the eyes. Some of the pollutants are very dangerous for our health. They can cause heart diseases and affect our brain, liver, and kidneys. 5. What is the important Why it is important to protect the environment? It is important to protect the environment because 1. It helps in preserving the habitat of animals. It also prevents soil erosion and it also helps in afforestation. Number 6. How does water pollution affect plants and animals? Plants die if polluted water reaches their roots. Animals will also die if they drink polluted water. Harmful substances present in the polluted water decreases the amount of oxygen present in the water. So, aquatic animals and plants die because they do not get sufficient oxygen to survive. Sometimes, animals living inside the water swallow the garbage thrown in it and die due to choking on garbage. Question number 8. What is the water pollution and how does the water get polluted? The addition of pollutant in water is called water pollution. Causes of water pollutions. Mixing of industrial waste containing toxic chemicals with water bodies such as rivers and lakes severely pollutes the water. 2. Throwing of waste such as plastic bags and cartons into the rivers. And 3. Washing clothes and bathing in rivers adds soap and detergent in water bodies. Question number 9. List 3 ways to save natural resources that protect our environment. There are 3 R's. Reduce. We should reduce waste generation as much as possible. Reuse. We should reuse the things in different ways rather than throwing them. And recycle. We should recycle the used things or use recyclable things. Now the workbook. Worksheet 1. State true or false. Correct the false statements. 1. All plants and animals live in the same environment. False. All plants and animals live in a different environment. 2. The food we eat comes from plants and animals. True. We get paper from animals. False. We get paper from trees. 4. It is not necessary to take care of our environment. False. It is necessary to take care of our environment. And 5. We should not waste natural resources. This is also true. Now, match the following. Paper is for trees, meat is for animals, fish is for river, smoke is for pollutant, and medicines for barks of trees. Answer the following questions. 1. What does environment consist of? Environment is comprised of all living and non-living things that occur naturally on the earth. Number 2. In what environment does fish live? The environment of a fish consists of the river or lake it lives in, the food it finds there, and the plants and animals found in water. 3. Name 5 things we get from plants. Fruits, vegetables, pulses, cereals, and medicines. Question number 4. Why it is important to take care of our environment? The answer is in the notebook, same as question 5 of section F. And 5. Give 2 human activities that adversely affect the environment. 1. Wasting resources such as water, electricity, and petrol. And 2. Carelessly throwing away empty packets, cans, and bottles. Worksheet 2. Choose the correct answer. 1. Which of the following is caused by pollution? Disease. Which of the following fuel causes pollutions? Coal. Waste consisting of plastic cannot be decomposed. Air pollution can be caused by all of these. Which of the following can protect our environment? Afforestation. Find the odd one out. Smoke, fuel, dust, trees. Fertilizers, manure. Pesticides and insecticides, manure. Paper, cloth, plastic, fruits and peel, plastic. Answer in one word. 1. The harmful substance that pollute air, water and land is pollutant. 2. The cutting down of trees on large scale is deforestation. The loss of fertile topsoil is soil erosion. It helps in preserving habitat of animal afforestation. This day is celebrated as World Environment Day, 5th June. Number 5. D. Write one method for prevention of the following: air pollution. Burning of any kind of waste must be banned. 2. Water pollution. We should avoid washing clothes and bathing in river and ponds. And land pollution. We must reduce the use of plastic bags by using paper or cloth bags. Worksheet number 3. Fill in the blanks. A clean environment is essential for a healthy living. Milk, eggs, and meat are obtained from animals. Air, water, and land are getting polluted because of increasing pollution. Coal, petrol, and diesel release poisonous gases on burning. Plastic bags stop the flow of water in the drains. Harmful substances present in polluted water decreases the amount of oxygen present in it. Give 2 examples for each one of the following. 1. Animals living on trees, squirrels and monkeys. Diseases caused by drinking polluted water, diarrhea and typhoid. Diseases caused by air pollution, asthma and eye irritation. Non-living things that are part of our environment, schools and house. Sources of air pollution, volcanic eruptions and forest fires. And reusable things, plastic bottles and cans. Unscramble the words. Number 1 is pollutant, chemical, plastic, animals. Write the following words in the suitable columns given below. As you can see, air pollution, it will be dust, smoke, volcanic eruption, deforestation, firecrackers, and fossil fuels. For land pollution, we have garbage, pesticides, and soil erosion. And for water pollution, we have industrial waste, diarrhea, typhoid, and plastic bottle. So if you enjoyed my video, please do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you all.